All right, let's do a quick exterior of 2821 Manlove. Interior wise, you guys will need to take a look at the pictures that we posted. Weren't able to do a video tour because of access from the tenants. Very generous, but there's some good pictures inside. Great layout. So on the exterior here, again, you can see this low pitched roof. Siding probably, again, just needs to be washed up. We've got a broken window over here. We've got some breaches on the outside here of the siding, and same thing on the window here. So kind of a little bit opposite of what the two of these. So interior of this one is much nicer, in better condition, but the exterior of this one has some definite concerns as well. This back extension here, which I'll explain to you guys if you're interested in it on what this extension is, but basically it is a 2-bedroom with a little bit of an extra living space that could probably be converted into a small bedroom, and that's what this extension affords the opportunity to do. This back here where the OSB is, looks like it used to be a door. Definitely needs to be closed up. And then our back entrance here. So again, looking at new roofing, touch up on the siding, if not some new siding, just to make sure we're secure with everything. The bonus for this one also, besides the extra living area that could be potentially a bath or a bedroom, is the detached structure here. So it's not in the greatest condition, again, new roofing, etc., but having this extra structure in this neighborhood is definitely a bonus. Obviously there's not really a backyard then for the area. You can see the breaches here, but it's a nice open area, good for parking, etc. So give us a call, let us know what you think. Thanks a lot.